Top AI tools every student should use. Feeling overwhelmed with assignments, research papers, or just trying to stay on top of everything in school? It's a common struggle for students everywhere. The pressure to perform well academically can be intense, and sometimes it feels like there's just not enough time in the day to get everything done. Whether it's late-night study sessions, endless research, or the constant barrage of homework, the stress can be overwhelming. Well, you're not alone, but the good news is, AI has your back. Imagine having a personal assistant that never sleeps, always ready to help you with your studies. From organizing your schedule to helping you understand complex topics, AI tools are revolutionizing the way students learn and manage their time. These tools can provide instant feedback, offer personalized learning experiences, and even help you stay motivated. Today, I'm going to show you 16 insanely useful AI tools that can make your academic life way easier, whether you're in high school, college, or doing research. These tools are designed to help you tackle your academic challenges head-on, making your study sessions more efficient and effective. So, get ready to discover how AI can transform your educational experience and give you the edge you need to succeed. Let's start with research and writing. These tools help you write smarter, not harder. These are research managers that organize all your sources. And with AI plugins, they can even generate citations and help find related papers. A must-have for thesis writing. This is like having a research assistant in your pocket. It summarizes academic papers and suggests the most relevant ones for your topic. Scite shows how other researchers are citing a paper, whether they support it or argue against it. Perfect for checking the credibility of your sources. Need help writing essays? Jenni offers sentence-by-sentence writing help, and it's especially tuned for academic writing, plus it keeps everything original. Next up, if you struggle with grammar or paraphrasing, these tools will save your grade. Everyone knows this one, but it's more than spell check. It improves your tone, clarity, and helps make your writing sound smarter. Use it to rephrase sentences or summarize big chunks of text. It even has an academic mode. Tailored for academic writing, it checks your grammar and even suggests more scholarly phrases. Great for research papers. Now let's talk studying. These tools help you digest material fast. Of course, this one's a lifesaver. You can ask it to explain concepts, create flashcards, or even quiz you. If you already use Notion for notes, the AI upgrade turns your notes into study guides and summaries with just one click. Too many research papers to read? Scholarcy summarizes them for you and highlights key arguments and stats. Math and science students, these tools are game changers. Type in a math problem or science question and get step-by-step explanations. It's basically a genius calculator. Just snap a picture of a math problem and it solves it while teaching you the steps. Super visual and easy to use. It's like Photomath but for advanced problems. Calculus, physics, chemistry, you name it. And finally, managing your time so you don't burn out. This AI calendar auto-schedules your study sessions and tasks around your classes. It literally plans your day for you. Todoist helps you organize tasks, but with AI, it also suggests priorities and breaks down big assignments. Trello is for visual planners, and Butler AI automates repetitive tasks, like setting reminders or updating deadlines. Alright, that's 16 powerful AI tools to level up your academic game. Whether you're writing essays, solving equations, or tackling complex projects, these tools are designed to make your life easier and more efficient. From reducing stress during finals week to helping you study late into the night, these AI tools are your academic allies. There's something here for everyone, no matter your study habits or academic challenges. Embrace the future of learning and achieve your goals with the help of AI. Let me know in the comments below which tool you're going to try first, or if you've got a favorite I missed. I'm always eager to hear your thoughts and experiences. Your feedback helps me create better content tailored to your needs. Also, if you have any questions or need further clarification on any of the tools discussed, feel free to ask. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Your support means a lot and helps this channel grow. If you want more content like this, make sure to stay tuned. I have plenty of exciting topics and useful tips coming up that you won't want to miss. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one, and good luck with your studies.